Greetings ladies and gents, GF4K here is once again back with a new report that is starting right now. Flat drawing disease, or FDS, is an acute disease that causes your drawings to look flatter than your everyday Egyptian cave drawings. It is confirmed that FDS is highly contagious and will infect all aspiring artists in their first days. Reports of those with severe FDS say that they face Anubis punishment and were forced to write their own obituaries should their anatomy displays a lack of improvement. Stuff poser's disease, or SPD, is an acute disease that causes your drawings to look worse than a smooth criminal. I mean, just look at that, folks. I never seen such a drawing as this who allegedly tried to become Michael Jackson but ultimately failed. The alleged OC was rushed to the hospital the moment he nuked his face against a floor harder than Skrillex beats. The poor character in question unfortunately reported dead on arrival, seeing the end credits rolling through his eyes, contemplating on what these artists have ever done to him. As per provided by the DOC, at such an alarming rate, it is estimated that 99.9% of new artists are suffering from both diseases. While these diseases are occasionally homicidal, they are loaded with notorious abilities like causing existential crisis to your art career or casually yeeting an artist off the world census. Furthermore, it isn't something worth neglecting for the sake of getting yourself famous for chubby emu.
Bruh.
However, the DOC has discovered that the aforementioned diseases are categorized to the common ill, given the fact that it offers a remedy. But please don't expect it to work right away, because it needs time to assimilate your drawing skills. Furthermore, consuming the remedy in space-high doses by trying too hard to improve is a great recipe to turn yourself into a past tense, which is not at all.
Bruh.
At exactly the time this video was uploaded, GF4K Arts was reportedly seen storming to the studio to help artists beef up their anatomy skills without dissecting a Vitruvian man Da Vinci style. It goes like this. You try drawing in anime or whichever style, but your piece ended up being nuked with high-yield critiques, which is basically like trying to impress Gordon Ramsay with a cremated risotto.
We f***ing wasted the most expensive part!
Apparently, there is one reason why your drawings look flat and stiff, mainly because you're drawing straight to a style of your liking without prior practice or mastery of the fundamentals. More importantly, the DOC has surveyed about 99.9% of new artists are allegedly struggling to master anatomy, which drives us straight to one significant secret of this video. Anatomy is not the priority. Anatomy is very subject-specific and represents a nearly accurate visual representation of an object, hence why new artists are struggling with the subject. On the contrary, gesture drawing is a simplified version of anatomy because it represents a vague figure. Due to their simplicity, gesture drawings usually take around a few minutes to practice. Next, it will be as simple as drawing a curved spine, which can be represented as an S or C shape. Next up, build a body using curves instead of shapes. As aforementioned, gesture drawing emphasizes the pose rather than anatomy because anatomy treats pose lines as cancerous to their kind. When building the figure, the Department of Creativity advises the public to avoid excessive adjustments and keep most mistakes as they are. Furthermore, the DOC recommends its artists to practice gesture drawing one full page per day and consult your doctor after a month. Approximately 99.9% of patients suffering from FDS and SPD are allegedly experiencing improved artistic conditions after practicing within a few months of frequency. The best part about this report is that there were no reported health insurance casualties and patients are reportedly having full confidence when conquering anatomy in Sparta style. Based on the data provided by the DOC, people who are watching this video are allegedly looking for the best and easiest ways on how to draw. For more information, please call our 24/7 hotlines at 1800-SUBSCRIBE, 1800-POST notifications, 1800-LIKE, and 1800-SHARE. Have a great day or night. GF4K Arts reporting.